And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
The time is 6:42 on this Friday morning. I hope your morning is going great for you so far. We finally made it to the end of the work week, and we are tracking some haze in the air, and it is all due to some smoke and maybe even some dust. We have a moderate air quality for today and tomorrow, so if you have problems breathing, like with asthma or anything related to breathing issues, you want to limit the amount of time you spend outdoors today, because it is going to look a lot like this. I mean, you can kind of see it out there from our Sky 5 camera. It looks like a fog, but it's actually that haze that's in the air, and it's going to be there for most of the day today as well as tomorrow, and the gusty winds are not going to make it any better. Looking at your temperatures, we are very warm to start the day, near 74 degrees here in Weslaco. The rest of the valley still with us there, 72 degrees in Rio Grande City, 76 in McAllen. Good morning to you in Edinburgh as well as Harlingen. You're also waking up at 74. It's 76 degrees in Raymondville and Port Isabel, and near 77 in Brownsville. So yeah, very warm, very humid start. And it's also off to a breezy start with winds out of the south-southeast between 8 and up to 16 miles per hour. Now those winds are going to pick up over the next couple of hours. We'll look at it on Future Track, and then you see a lot of yellow, especially over Cameron and Willacy County. So that yellow tinge in the key takes us up to 25 miles per hour, and we're actually going to exceed that, possibly up to 30 miles per hour in Cameron and Willacy County today, gusting near 40 miles per hour. The Upper Valley will be dealing 15 to 25 mile per hour wind speeds, but even for your drive time home, it's going to be very gusty out there. So if you drive a high profile vehicle, just give yourself enough drive time to get to your destination safely, because the wind, and even for smaller cars, will whip your car around. So make sure you have both hands on the wheel today. Looking at your coastal forecast, we have a small craft advisory for the Bay and the Gulf from 9 until 7 o'clock tonight. The Bay will be very rough out there. Seas will average 5 to 8 feet, but we could see up to 10-foot swells. High temperatures, 87 at the coast to 95 in Brownsville, 97 and 99 when you get into Harlingen, Raymondville, as well as Weslaco. Triple digits the farther west you go, from 100 in Edinburgh to 102 in McAllen today, 105 in Rio Grande City. We're going to feel like 105 to 110 for today and tomorrow, all ahead of the next cold front. Be sure to drink lots of water while you're outdoors this weekend. Cold front will roll through early Sunday morning. It could bring us a small chance for rain, but we're going to keep your rain chances very, very slim. I'll show you that in a second. We're going to keep the shower potential for Wednesday and Thursday. That'll be late Wednesday going into early Thursday ahead of a next cold front. But here back in the valley, we're just looking at this next front, and it'll roll through early Sunday morning. Notice not much green there in the forecast, so hardly any rain with that particular front. Again, the better chance for rain will be Wednesday into Thursday, but the heat continues for now, along with the windy conditions, so be careful out there. Wind advisory from 11 until 6 for Cameron and Willacy County. We'll be at 99 today, 102 tomorrow, 85 by Sunday. A nice little change of pace courtesy of that cold front. We're back to the mid-90s by midweek, with a shower late in the day going into the overnight hours and early morning on Thursday. That's ahead of the next front. That'll pass by and will bring temperatures back down to the mid-80s. Overnight lows 60s and 70s, but Sunday night will be the coolest. We'll be right around 58 degrees. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.